Have you noticed that after 60, no matter how early you go to bed, your nights feel shorter and your mornings heavier? You try pills, melatonin, herbal teas, yet deep, peaceful sleep slips further away. It feels as if your body forgot how to rest. But what if the answer isn't in the pharmacy? It's right in your kitchen. Today on Golden Rest Guide, we'll rediscover a simple ancient remedy that has helped generations fall asleep naturally: ginger. Yes, that small golden root you've used for decades to flavor your food might hold the secret to restoring your deep sleep and morning energy. For centuries, Asian healers have called ginger the fire of life, not for its spice, but for its power to warm the body, calm the nerves, and balance the inner energy that allows true rest. Modern science now agrees. Studies have found that ginger contains powerful compounds, gingerol and shogaol, that reduce inflammation, improve circulation, and stabilize nerve activity. This means when used properly, ginger can help your heart slow down, your breathing deepen, and your nervous system settle into the perfect rhythm for sleep. And today, I, Master SHI, will share with you 3 simple yet powerful ways to use ginger before bed to sleep deeply again, without pills, without side effects, and without fear. The first method is gentle yet surprisingly effective: ginger with rock sugar. This remedy has been quietly passed down through generations of elders who understood that a warm, sweet drink before rest signals the body to release tension. Take half a fresh ginger root, wash it, slice it thin, and boil it in half a liter of water. Once it starts to boil, add a small piece of rock sugar, stir, and let it simmer for 5 minutes. Drink this warm in the afternoon or early evening, not too close to bedtime. The warmth of ginger opens your blood vessels, sending life back to your cold hands and feet, while the rock sugar balances its heat, calming the nervous system. Within days, you may notice your thoughts quieting earlier, your body relaxing faster, and your heart resting more easily. The second method is for those who want a deeper, more physical sense of calm: the ginger and salt foot soak. Our feet are like silent messengers. They connect to the heart, the brain, and the entire nervous system. When you soak them in warm ginger water with salt, you activate powerful acupressure points that tell your body it's time to rest. Crush half a ginger root, add it to warm water around 104 degrees Fahrenheit to 113 degrees Fahrenheit, and mix in a teaspoon of salt. Soak your feet for 20 minutes before bed while gently massaging your soles. You'll feel the warmth travel up your legs, releasing tension that's been locked away all day. After drying your feet, put on thin socks to preserve the heat. Within a few nights, you'll wake up feeling refreshed, with warm hands and clear thoughts. Just remember, avoid this method if you have open wounds, diabetes-related foot issues, or vascular disease. For everyone else, it's a beautiful nightly ritual to invite sleep naturally. Now, the most powerful method of all, and my personal favorite: ginger honey lemon tea. This soothing drink works from the inside out, aligning your body and mind into harmony. Ginger warms the blood, honey calms the nerves, and helps your body produce serotonin, the hormone of peace, which later turns into melatonin, the hormone of sleep. Lemon adds a touch of freshness and vitamin C to strengthen your immune system while soothing your throat. To prepare, boil half a liter of water, add 4 to 6 slices of ginger, simmer for 5 minutes, then remove from heat. Once slightly cooled, add 1 tablespoon of honey and the juice of 1/4 lemon. Sip this tea 1 hour before bed while listening to soft music or reading something gentle. Let every sip remind your body that night has arrived, that the day's worries have ended, and it's time to heal through rest. But remember, even nature's gifts must be used wisely. Never use bruised or moldy ginger. It can be toxic. Don't overuse it either, because too much warmth can burden the liver and stomach. People with high fever, severe diabetes, or heart disease should consult a doctor before using these methods. Ginger is not a cure. It's a gentle teacher reminding your body how to rest again. Combine it with healthy habits. Avoid caffeine or alcohol in the evening, keep your bedroom calm, and go to bed with gratitude instead of worry. Deep sleep is not a luxury. It's a reward your body earns when you treat it kindly. So tonight, choose one of these methods. Maybe a cup of sweet ginger water, a relaxing foot soak, or a warm honey lemon tea, and notice how your body responds. Within a few nights, you'll feel your energy return, your mornings become brighter, and your spirit more balanced. If this message resonates with you, type "I will try" in the comments. And if it helps you sleep better, share your story. Someone else may need this small golden secret tonight. Before you go, remember, true rest doesn't come from closing your eyes. It comes from opening your heart to peace. I am Master SHI, and this is the Golden Rest Guide, where age is not the end of your energy, it's the beginning of your wisdom. If you found this helpful, please like this video, subscribe to Golden Rest Guide, and share it with a loved one who deserves a calm, healing night. Until next time, sleep deeply, live gently, and remember, the smallest roots often hold the greatest power.